Hi there, my name's Carrie, and I live out here in the Pacific Northwest with my family, and we've been full-time off-grid for 5 years now. And I'm going to show you how we have built our off-grid homestead from scratch, really. We built a 36 by 48 metal shop, and part of that is my husband's workshop, and a lot of that is our house. And I'll just kind of give you a quick tour. That's my 21-year-old. He's building a cabin with his brother right now. But this is our shop. And we can go inside maybe if anybody's interested. But basically we have this kind of three 12-foot bays. That bay there is our living space. And in the middle we have an RV, that's the master bedroom. And then on that side is kind of kid land. And we have a view of the water here. We didn't when we bought it here. That was all forest down there, but somebody clear cut it, and so that's not what we have anymore. Here's our garden, greenhouse, our little chickens. People always ask how we deal with laundry. Well, that's how up there. We hang it up, like most of you probably do too. So one of the most interesting things we have is our off-grid water system, which is a spring system that we have a ram pump that pumps our water uphill to a holding tank, and then gravities back down to our house. Here, so I'd like to show the ram pump. I think that's probably the most interesting thing about our homestead. Here's our chicken coop. It's a trailer. This was our old Baja trailer. We took it down to Baja with all of our toys on it to spend the winters, but now it's kind of hillbilly well, not kind of, it's 100% hillbilly, but it works. This is where our little laying hens are. Hi girls. Sorry. They don't like it when I get into their privacy. We had this old plywood that my husband got off of a job, and so it was like in somebody's shop, I think, and it had all these funny designs on it. So that's our chicken coop. We have 35 acres here in the Northwest, and it's a south-facing slope, so we're able to use solar power. Here's our orchard. Anyways, this might be boring. I did a video on a ram pump years ago, but this might not be that interesting to anybody. So I will post this and see if anybody wants any more of a tour. It'd be fun to show it off. We don't know a single soul that lives off-grid or has any desire to. Well, I think there's one lady in town with a family, a bunch of kids that live off-grid that we need to get to know, but we don't know her. I've met her once or twice, so it would be fun to kind of share how everybody else is doing stuff. So yeah, if anybody's interested, let's do tours of each other's off-grid places. Okay, bye.